Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install ApkHere to your Android TV, Android TV box or Google TV. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, what you have to do is go back to your download application. If you don't have downloaded on your Android TV, please check the description of this video. I've attached a link that should help you get downloaded to your Android TV. After installing downloader, just go ahead and launch it, and here's how it's going to look like. So once you're here, please type in this code 25783 25783. Once you type in the code, just go ahead and click on go or launch, and this is going to work perfectly if you follow everything that I've showed you so far. So what is going to happen is that you are going to be redirected to the site of ApkHere, and this is how it should look like on your Android TV if you follow what I've shown so far. And you can use ApkHere to install any APK that is on the site to your Android TV, even from the download application here. So this is how it looks like, and here are the applications that are here. You can install any of them to your Android TV. So that's about the video. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.